Hello and welcome back to the tutorial series, and today we are going to take a look at our Bestbuy module. So first thing you're going to want to do is you'll create your release. You go to new release, type in your release name, Bestbuy, choose Bestbuy under the store module, hit submit, and you'll have your release. I've already created my release. I'll go ahead and start with monitors. So first off, for monitors, as you can see, I already have a few monitors here. I'm just going to grab the SKU, go ahead and create a new monitor. Delay, leave it at whatever you want to leave it at, usually because Bestbuy is a website that we run based on when things are released. I will go ahead and just leave it as is for now. Select my proxy list. Go ahead and create how many monitors. I'll create about like 5 monitors. For my SKU, quantity of 1, maximum price. I usually put about $100 more than the total comes out to. And this is for the Founders Edition 3080. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And as you can see, my monitors have been created. So now if I start up my monitors, it'll be at solving Akamai and then out of stock because this item is currently not in stock. But this item is a 5600X, which is always in stock. So checking stock, that'll say in stock, and then it'll go through solving Akamai. But we'll go ahead and stop that. And once your monitors are created, in order to create tasks, you're going to have to log in to Bestbuy by going to your accounts. And then you can go to add new account. We have 3 different methods of logging into your Bestbuy accounts. And these are the 3. We have auto 2FA, we have auto Gmail, and we have manual. So for auto 2FA and auto Gmail, you will be required to either be on local in order for this to work. In my experience, I haven't been able to log in on my server and without a proxy. The only proxies you can use that I've used are residentials, but ISPs do not seem to be working for me. Your ISPs may differ, but I've been using residentials and having success with that. So for auto 2FA, you'll have to enable 2-factor authentication on your Bestbuy account, which I'm not going to show you guys due to security reasons. We do have full documentation on how to do this under the Dakoza docs though, so you can go ahead and check that out. So for auto 2FA, it's pretty simple. Once you have the 2-factor authentication code, you'll go ahead, put your username, user, /pass, /auth code, which is what you get for the authenticator app, /proxy if you're using a proxy. And that would be your how you would sign in with credentials for auto 2FA. For Gmail, it's a little bit different. So for auto Gmail, you can click automatically log into Google and it'll automatically log into your Gmail, or you can do it without it, but I'll go ahead and click this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put in your Bestbuy username. So Bestbuy username, then the password for the Bestbuy account, and then you're going to want to put in your Gmail password. So whatever your Gmail password is, so gpass, and then you'll do proxy. So I'm not going to put in any of this information due to security reasons, but as you can see here, this is what you'll put in. And once you do that, you hit submit, it'll let you add your accounts in. As you can see, both of mine are currently under ready. I'll go ahead and reset them. One is done through 2FA and one is done through Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and click. It's going to submit fingerprint. It's going to solve Akamai, go logging in, checking session. It's going to be ready. If you have any issues where it says login failed, that means you have to log into the account and potentially verify something or reset your password. And then this should work no problem. And then for the second one, we'll go ahead and log in. As you can see, this one is for the auto Gmail. It'll say continue in browser. So it's currently logging into my Gmail and it's asking me to verify stuff on my phone. It may or may not ask you to do that. I'm using a residential proxy, so that could be why. So I'm going to go ahead and go on my phone, and as you can see, it's going to continuously say continue in browser. It's going to loop me about 2 or 3 times to do this. And then once it's done, it'll say handling login, checking session, and then ready. And then once you're done with that, you'll be logged into both of your accounts, and you can go ahead and create a task now by heading on over to tasks. This insinuates that you already have proxies in your proxy pool. If you don't know how to add those in, we've had videos for that. But yeah, you'll go ahead and create a new task. And we have 4 different modes to choose from. We have online, which is guest online. We have account online, which is an online account like shipping. Account pickup, which is, picking up from the store. And then account manual will give you a checkout link so you can check out manually. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to do account pickup because most GPUs, that's what you'll have to use in order to purchase GPUs. And then I'll select my accounts that I just logged into. I'll select my profile group for Bestbuy. I only have one at this time, but we'll go ahead and select that one. And I'll just go ahead and get rid of that. We'll go ahead and select our proxy list, some residential proxies. And then delay, I'll leave as it is. Amount of tasks to create. You'll want to create a decent amount of tasks because you'll want to have whichever gets through the queue first. So for instance, I'm going to do like 3 tasks just to be safe. Maximum queue time, I'll leave it at the default 900. And then I click stop after success because I don't need it to check out multiple times. You can even do stop SKU after checkout just to avoid that, because Bestbuy has been known to cancel things if they see any sort of suspicious activity. So I'll go ahead and click that, hit submit. As you can see, I have my 3 tasks. Now if I start my tasks up, it'll go setting up tasks, solving Akamai, and then it'll go waiting for account and waiting for monitor. And that's how you know that your tasks are ready to go. And then as you can see, my monitors are currently off, but if I was to trigger one that is in stock, it'll say in stock, it'll ping, it'll add to cart, but I'm going to go ahead and turn those off because I don't need to purchase that item. And then otherwise, it'll just wait for the ping. And then once we ping to let you guys know the Bestbuy is releasing, you go ahead and start your tasks up, have your SKUs. As you can see, you can just grab the SKU from Bestbuy, put it in the SKU monitor under SKU, and you can mask change if you need to. I would not recommend running too many tasks per account just because Bestbuy auto infinite queues you if you are in too many, like if you have too many windows open. I'm not sure if this is different if you're not using if you're using the bot, but in manual experience you would want to use just a few tasks and you wouldn't want to go too many, or else you'll get infinite queued. But as you can see, it shows that the 5600X was getting ready to check out, but I decided to stop that. But other than that, as you can see, Bestbuy works automatic. You just input that information in as you're supposed to, and yeah, happy cooking. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. And if you have any suggestions, please leave it below. Let us know in the Discord. And happy cooking. Have a good one. I go by Sloth. Thank you for tuning in.